Good morning everyone, we're in Fayette, Arkansas. We've stayed overnight at the Hampton Inn. Very, very nice place to stay indeed. This is our beast, you probably saw it from yesterday when we picked her up. A beautiful GMC, fantastic ride. We travelled about 8 hours in it yesterday, so pretty good there. I'm now going to drive us to our location point where we're going to park up and await for the eclipse. Weather-wise, well, as you can see, hopefully, if it stays like this, it's going to be good. Thing is, every man and his dog's going to be out here today, so we need to get our location, which we've picked, and get that sorted. So, follow me. Hopefully, we'll get to see the solar eclipse. We have our sunglasses. We will pose for a picture with those shortly, and we'll go from there. So please keep following. Okay, we're at our final destination here, Dardanelle State Park, which is actually quite beautiful. As you can see, we're not the first here. There are loads of people here, but that is quite spectacular.
And it is very early.
It is early.
Another 5 hours or something.
Yeah, it's like 9:15 in the morning. People have got their spots already. Everyone's geared up for it all. So we've got a lot of time to kill. As you can tell, plenty of people here at this state park. Free to get in. They've got toilet facilities. Only thing is, you really want food and drink, but yeah, they're clearly not catered up for that, but it really is quite a nice little spot. And hopefully the cloud cover will stay as it is. Well, this is the visitors centre. I bet it hasn't been as busy as this for a long, long time, but look at the fish and the tanks. How cool is that? So we've got all the fish here. The place is busy, and they're doing a roaring trade in the glasses. I would just like to point out, bearing in mind over there we have a nuclear power station, it's important that we are fully aware of what to do in the event of it all going horribly wrong.
Wow.
Now, I'm not saying it will go horribly wrong, but the way our trip's been going, we need to be prepared.
I'm just going to read it. It says, the purpose of the booklet to teach you how to deal with a nuclear accident. Basically, you bend over, put your head between your knees and kiss your ass goodbye.
Thank you for that.
I mean, obviously you could actually synopsis this into that phrase.
Yeah, there we go. So I thought...
Radiation and its effects, you're dead.
Yeah.
Okay. Health effects, death.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's really good. Oh, hang on.
Notified.
Notified what?
I don't know.
Special needs notification.
But there we are. Thought I'd let you know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm chuffed that you thought about me with that.
Yeah. Darren, it's important that we prepare for all eventualities. So having the emergency
evacuation manual
for the nuclear power station, which is round the corner, I thought, with our luck at the moment, we need to know shit like this.
And as I said on the picture, so we're here sitting by a very picturesque lake, right next to, nestled up to the power station, watching the eclipse. What can go wrong?
Where are the Pringles?
In Darren's hand.
Soon to be in Darren's tummy.
In the bag.
In the bag.
Hey, what's on your arm? Have a look. We just saw this on Darren. Oh, look at that. Up in the air, got to get a good view. Oh my lord.
That's quite a good bruise there.
And
Bloody hell.
what are you doing, Dave?
He's got a bruise on his nipple.
Oh,
Seatbelt.
for the benefit of YouTube, okay, that was a male breast. Male.
Somewhat overweight and he's ashamed to show it in public, but
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
everyone knows what I look like.
Well, I thought I'd take a walk down the breakwater, as you can see there. There's some sounds of drums coming from there. So I thought, why not have a look? The eclipse is actually starting. I can't actually show it to you because I haven't got the proper equipment, but it's starting to move across the moon, as you can see. Loads of people. Now I'm wondering what the drums are up to. Well, the moon's slowly going across the sun and it is definitely getting darker. Just took some footage of some Native Americans doing a song. Quite interesting, that. But we're looking on our phones and we're getting some good pictures. Certainly getting dusky here. And looking up using these, we're almost there. Isn't it always annoying when you get clouds? It's like someone's just used the dimmer switch and it's no longer as bright as it was. It's really getting dark now. Wow. That was a... Look, you can see, really getting dark now. Really getting dark. Like dusk. Really like dusk. Almost there. It's about to go. Oh. Hey. Hey. Hey, come on. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's without any filter. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Absolutely wow. Wow, wow, wow. Isn't that amazing? Look at it. It's like dusk or dawn. Unbelievable. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Everybody busy taking pictures. And then it becomes bright. How amazing is that? Look at it. Literally right in front of your eyes. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Getting brighter and brighter now. Now you have to wear these. No getting round it. Well, that was an amazing experience, looking up at the sky and seeing the moon across the sun. And you could do it with your bare eyes as well. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And it's slowly getting lighter now as well. The struggle's real. We're quite a distance away from the eclipse and quite a time afterwards, and yet the traffic is appalling. It goes right the way back, as you can see. Really, really bad. Right, well, we've made it back to the hotel. The drive here was bloody horrendous. Took us 3 hours.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, 3 hours. Nose to tail traffic. I mean, every man and his dog and their relatives had gone to see the eclipse.
And the dog's relatives.
Yeah. So we're now getting something to eat. We're going for Mexican. We were here last night, actually. It was really, really good. So we're starting again. We tried to go somewhere else and we think it's shut down. So it's Mexican now. Let's see what they got to offer us today. What a fantastic eclipse. There's no doubt about it. Seeing it with your own eyes makes all the difference rather than seeing it on TV or some picture or whatever. Watching it go black and then coming to life again, unbelievable. I mean, yeah, as soon as it started happening, you could tell the intensity of the crowd there. They were really sort of looking forward to it. But yeah, coming home, bit of a nightmare. I would say our food was average, if that.
Worse, actually.
So worse than average. So yeah, bit of a letdown. So hence the reason I'm not going to show any footage inside. But that was it. So tomorrow we're off to Louisiana, and there is a chance of some, when I say good weather, I mean bad weather, if you know what I mean. So hopefully that will all pan out for us. So please like, subscribe, ding dong that notification bell, and thank you very much for taking time out from your day to watch what I got up to in my day. So until tomorrow, good night.